Hey, this is Chantel WTI. I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to wine glasses, but these glasses by Schott Zwiesel are amazing. I love them so much. I have to like the way the wine glass feels in my hand to be able to enjoy my wine. My husband gives me a hard time because if we stay at an Airbnb and they don't have good wine glasses, I am going out and buying some. I just love the squared shape of these glasses, and the crystal glass material is delicate yet high quality. Most of my wine glasses are this brand, and I just love the quality and different elegant designs. I appreciate that they are dishwasher safe, and I haven't broken any yet, and I've had them for years. I receive a lot of compliments on these glasses when I have friends over for dinner. I even use them to fancy up my water for parties. One of my favorite things to do in the summertime is to pour a glass of wine in the evening and watch the sunset from my front porch. It's so relaxing, and I just love all the greenery my beautiful state has to offer. They really are perfect, but that's just my point of view.